Shoi. Hi guys, welcome in our channel. I just want to introduce you our new toy. As you can see here, it's Cardo Packtalk Edge Duo. And Duo because of course we are two and we have two helmets, so we need to have two. So yeah, let's do it. Let's open it. This one, no need. So as you can see here, we have two units. Also, we have some information about how to install in the helmet. It's in more languages. It's English, Italy, French, and Deutsch. And here, as you can see, we have a package of two microphone and speaker. This one is typical, it's having GBL speakers, and you have some stickers, which one you will connect it to the helmet, stick it to the helmet, and that's it. And this is the same here in the second one.